Hi guys, in this video we will see possible solution of error no more files error code 18 on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of message you will receive there are no more files available. And if you are also facing such type of error code with this type of message, then the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here you will have to execute the command sfc/scan now. It will not only scan your system but try to detect any files, corrupted files related issue. Wait till 100% verification complete. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And once completed, restart your system and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left sidebar, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter, from the right side, choose Windows Security. Click on it. And here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. A new Windows Security page will open. Here, scroll down and click on Scan Options. And you will find 4 scan options. Choose Full Scan and click on Scan Now. And let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any viruses and try to help in fixing your error code 80. The next workaround is again go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute the command chkdsk. This will scan your system drive. chkdsk c, here replace drive letter c with your drive letter. Simply from the arrow of your keyboard, move the cursor and choose your drive letter such as C, D, E, anybody, and press enter. It will scan your disk drive, and if any error found, it will notify you. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Windows key plus R to open run dialog box, and in run dialog box type ms configuration, msconfiz. This command will open system configuration windows. Click on OK. Clean boot your system. Here from the top menu bar, go to services. Click on services tab and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner. And thereafter click on disable all from the bottom right corner. And thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and here click on open task manager. Task manager window will now open under startup apps, and here look for enabled startup apps in your system. If you found any enable startup apps enabled, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your startup apps in your system. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps and thereafter close the window and click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run. And here in run dialog box, type rstrui. This command will open system restore windows. Click on OK. System restore window will open. Restore system files and settings. Here you will find recommended restore, but you may choose another restore point. Choose a different restore point. Click on it and click on next. You may choose recommended restore also. Click on next and Select your restore point, restore computer to the state it was in before the selected event, and click on next. And finally, confirm your restoration point. Click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process of your system, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. That's all.